Welcome back to the Turaco Security System video channel. Today we will discuss the Monitoring Center software. Our Monitoring Center software is cloud-based and you access it through a simple web browser pointing it to the address of the Monitoring Center as we have done here. After logging into the Monitoring Center, you will view this page. At the top of the page, you have the Home button, History, Search, Settings, and the user who has logged in, followed by the ability to log out, choose what monitoring center you would like to be connected to. You have the ability to close all the pop-up windows that you get as a result of alerts that have been generated. The next part of the screen is the alert list, which shows the most critical alerts that have been created. And that is followed by the event list of a specific site that you have chosen. In this case, I chose the Manny Light site. And we can see here the different events that have been created at that site. On the top, we will see the panel name, panel ID, as well as the amount of panel events that exist today, and the status of the events, the zones, when was the last update. To the right-hand side, we will see the summary of the site details, the address, the name, the client's name, and if an action plan list was created, we will see here the action plan. Moving down a bit, we will see the Google Maps of the site based on the address that was entered, a site map if that was entered into the system, and the CRM system that shows the contact list of that specific site. If we go back up, we will see that at the top we have the panel status, and we can press that and do a disarm, arm, or stay arm, and then change the status of the panel at the site. We can view live view of the cameras. We can see recorded video. And here we can, of course, see the status. I acknowledged one of these alerts. If we go into one of the alerts here, the events here, then we can update an action plan as we wish. We can change the status of this from new to in care. And that will change the status if we refresh here the browser, of course. And we've noticed that we have an event generated just as we've refreshed the browser. Um, and let's take care of that event. So let's go into that specific event. We'll do an in care here, and we'll go into the specific event. And we'll change the status here to in care. And you can see there's an alarm ID. This is 867. So let's say this was taken care of. Now we have 870. Let's take care of that one. 872. And we will go through all these alarms and acknowledge them. Another way of taking care of bulk amounts of alarms is to go to the close all pop-up. And in parallel here, we can go into one of the events and change its status. Here, it was changed to in care. Let's change this one. That was from the previous. And it will take a few seconds to refresh. I think that covers the first screen of the Turaco Monitoring Center. And we'll delve into each one of the specific screens in my next video. Thank you very much for watching and listening to the Turaco Security System video channel Monitoring Center Introduction.